Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Ads with Salesflare in such a manner that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details are added as a contact to my Salesflare. This can automate your entire task of capturing the leads from Google Ads without you lifting any finger and add all the details of the lead which you are capturing from Google Ads instantly to your CRM. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Google Ads with Salesflare in such a manner that whenever we receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically it is created as a contact in Salesflare. For this, we are going to build a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all the workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically add Google Ads leads to Salesflare CRM, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new form submission or a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a contact should be created in my Salesflare, which means whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Ads, and in my trigger event, I am going to select new lead form entry and then click on connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Google Ads. Now here I have created a campaign which is in test mode, and I'm going to create lead gen form in front of you. I want the first name, last name, email, phone. Then I want the company name. If you want any other details, you can do that. I just want these details: first name, last name, email, phone, and the company name. Now this is how your form is going to appear. And when you will be creating a live campaign and lead gen form, you have to follow the same process. Now we are going to scroll down, and then I'm going to search for this lead delivery option. And I'm going to open this lead delivery option where I will get this webhook URL and the key. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL, paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter a random key, after which I'm going to click on the send test. As I click on this, all the details will be received here, and if I successfully receive the test data from Google Ads, it is going to show us the connection setup is working fine. I'm going to click on the send test data sent successfully. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received any response or not. Let's wait for the webhook response, and we have captured the response. We have received test details from Google Ads. The company name is company name, phone number is this, email address is test@example.com, first name is first name, last name is last name. Here, as soon as we have done the form submission, we have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that contact in Salesflare. I'm going to select my action application as Salesflare. In the action event, I'm going to select create a contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter the token. It is written that I have to go towards the settings and then click on API keys. On the left hand side, I have this option of settings. I'm going to scroll down and then open the keys, and over here I will be provided a new API token which I'm going to copy, and I'm going to to paste that over here, and then I'm going to save this. You will see Salesflare will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details. Over here, I'm not going to enter the details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter slash like this, and then I'm going to go towards Google Ads, and then I'm going to enter the email address, which is this test@example.com. I'm going to skip the prefix part. Then I'm going to enter the first name as first name. I'm going to enter the last name as last name. So I'm going to skip the middle name part because I have not received the response, and these details also because I have not received. But if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. I'm going to enter the phone number, the test phone number which I have received. Now in the organization, I'm going to enter the company name, the test detail which I have received, which was company name only. You see over here we have used this process of mapping instead of manually entering it, because mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And we have received the response. We have received the contact ID. Let's open the Salesflare, go towards the contacts, and we are going to search for this first name, last name. So over here we have created this contact. The name is first name, last name, email address is test@example.com, phone number is this. If I click on this edit, you can see all the details which I have entered. The organization is company name, phone number was this only, email was test@example.com only. So we have successfully created this contact, and this is how we have built the connection between Google Ads and Salesflare using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUIT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.